watching the markets drop, and maybe you're the type of investor who always sits on a little bit more extra cash, or maybe like me, or like this comment, you said, hey, I'm sitting on a little bit more in anticipation of a recession and just not sure when to buy more. This is just what I do. And as always, every person on the internet has an opinion. I'm sure some people will see this and say, hey, that's great. And others will say, hey, you're stupid and I don't like your idea. Whatever. This is just what I do. So when I see the markets down 1, 2, 3, or 4% in a day, that's usually a signal that something big and bad happened that day, or there's some report or some story or some sort of outlook that doesn't look good. And that is an opportunity, in my eyes, to consider adding a little bit. I am not the kind of investor who likes to throw in huge amounts all at once outside of my foundation. So if there's a company I want, I'm going to buy anywhere from 100 to 1,000 shares the first time I see it and I like it. And then I've got that foundation, and then I can start building slowly, because I want to accumulate shares. I don't want to get in my way as an investor. I have 100 and then I sell 50 and then I think I'll buy back the 50 if it drops. And, I'm not trying to play games. I'm trying to build and grow and get more and more and more. So when I see the overall markets down 1, 2, 3, or 4% in a day, well, that's an opportunity for me. If I see an individual stock that I want to buy that is down 5 to 10% or more in that particular day, obviously I read the news and I see what's going on. If I determine that it is an issue, but it's not a major issue, or there's not some sort of like fraud or allegation that's going to drag on for a long time, it maybe is just the overall markets overreacting or reacting to something, I'll take advantage of that as well if it's down 5 to 10%. And finally, if I see a stock that is down 20 or 30% or more in a month, that is also a great opportunity. You have to treat high quality investments like you would treat a bag of Doritos, or a pair of shoes, or something that you like and that you want, and you see that it is on sale. It's the analogy I always give. If you bought a bag of Doritos full price at the grocery store because you wanted them, and then you went back a week later and they were buy one get one free, you'd get more bags of Doritos. Same mindset. So instead of being consumer mindset, I'm investor mindset, and I'm looking at it going, oh wow, down 20, 30% in the month, I'll add a little bit more. So that's just what I do. I'm sure everyone is different. So it's, I think, an overreaction to see a stock down, oh, the markets are down today, buy the dip. No, you don't want to run in and buy every single time the markets are down, or you will run out of money, most likely, and then you won't have any money to buy the real dip or correction or recession. So don't be too overly eager, but also don't sit for too long, because the longer you sit, the more likely it is that things will recover, or they'll make some sort of announcement, markets will surge, and you'll sit there and go, shit. Hit the follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.